Check out this Bolt Bus $1 fare that I found after the intro. So Bolt Bus is a bus service that does long trips between certain destinations with no stops really. So Los Angeles to San Francisco or San Jose, and then up in the Pacific Northwest there's Portland to Seattle. But yeah, they advertise this $1 fare, and pretty much impossible to find, I thought. I mean, they maybe offer one or two, but it's just random. I've gone through all the dates and tried to see if there's a $1 fare up to, like, I don't know, 6 weeks they do, every single day, just to see if it's possible. And in the past, I've never found it. But randomly, I was searching for a ticket and I found it. So I'm sure it's just some kind of algorithm that throws it in, or who knows. But yeah, I was pretty stoked. So I did a screen grab really quick just to say, hey, it's possible. Just keep trying, I guess. But the ticket didn't coincide with the times and the dates that I needed, so I ended up not buying it. I probably should have just bought it. Just, I don't know. I don't know why you do it, but yeah. The $1 Bolt Bus fare. It is real.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe or not.